You've probably heard of Coinbase, right? The crypto exchange platform that made buying and selling digital currencies a breeze. But have you ever wondered if they still offer that cool card you could use to spend your crypto anywhere? Let's dive in and find out. Coinbase, once a pioneer in the crypto space, offered a card that was a game changer for many crypto enthusiasts. It was like having a magic ticket to use your digital assets in the real world. You could seamlessly convert your crypto to fiat currency and spend it at your favorite stores, online or offline. It was a convenient way to bridge the gap between the crypto world and everyday life. But things change fast in the crypto industry. Regulations tighten, market conditions fluctuate, and business strategies evolve. So, the burning question is, does Coinbase still offer that card? Let's explore what's happening. First, we need to understand what the Coinbase card was all about. It was more than just a plastic piece, it was a representation of the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies. With it, you could earn rewards in crypto on your spending, which was a pretty sweet deal. It also offered features like real-time exchange rates, so you knew exactly how much your crypto was worth when making a purchase. Now, let's cut to the chase. As of, insert current date, Coinbase doesn't offer a card. If they do, let's talk about what's new, the benefits, and any potential drawbacks. If they don't, let's explore why they might have discontinued it and what other options are available for spending your crypto. Insert detailed information about the Coinbase card's current status, including availability by region, features, rewards, fees, and any relevant updates. Or, if the card is no longer available, we can discuss potential reasons for its discontinuation, such as regulatory challenges, economic factors, or a shift in Coinbase's business focus. We can also explore alternative options for spending crypto, including other crypto cards, debit cards linked to crypto exchanges, or peer-to-peer platforms. It's crucial to stay informed about the evolving crypto landscape, especially when it comes to practical applications like spending your digital assets. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies, understanding the availability and features of crypto cards is essential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.